Welcome, this is 12th lecture on Kinetic Theory of Gases, and this video will be continuation of my previous video lecture where I have derived the van der Waal equation of state. In this video, we will see the evaluation of Boyle's temperature for van der Waal gas, evaluation of critical constant, and also we will see the concept of reduced equation of state and law of corresponding state. Okay. As we have seen in previous video, the van der Waal equation of state for 1 mole of a gas is given by P plus A upon V square into V minus B is equals to RT. So from here, if we rearrange the terms, we can write P is equals to RT upon V minus B minus A upon V square. Or if you multiply V on both sides, then this equation will become PV equals to RTV upon V minus B minus A upon B. Okay. Now let's remind ourselves what is Boyle's temperature. For a real gas, a temperature at which we can write PV equals to constant, that is the Boyle's law, that particular temperature is called Boyle's temperature. And if you want to write in the equation form, then you must write PV equals to RTB. Here TB is the Boyle's temperature. So only at particular value of temperature, which is called Boyle's temperature, for a real gas we will have PV equals to constant or PV equals to RTB. Okay. As we want to calculate the Boyle's temperature, we just simply replace PV by RTB in this equation and T by TB. Okay. So just replace it and we will have RTB equals to RTBV upon V minus B minus A upon B. Okay. Just rearrange the terms, bring this one this side and take A upon V in this side and then take RTB common. So RTB multiplied by V minus B minus B minus 1 equals to A upon V. Okay. Now just simplify it. It will become RTB equals to B upon V minus B is equals to A upon V. And then further simplify it so that we can write TB is equals to A upon V minus B upon RB. Okay. Here B is the co-volume, which is a correction term. Correction term is 4 times total volume of the molecules, and V is the total volume of the gas, that is the volume of the container. In that scenario, B, this correction term, is much less than V. So if we use that criteria, then we can simply write V minus B is approximately equals to V. So therefore TB is equals to A upon RB. This is the expression for the Boyle's temperature for a van der Waal gas. Okay. Now let's try to derive the critical constant for van der Waal gas. We will start with again same equation, the van der Waal equation of state for 1 mole, P plus A upon V square into V minus B is equals to RT. Okay. Now if you plot the PV diagram for a real gas, what you will find out at the critical point, del P del V is equals to 0. And also the critical point is neither a maxima or nor a minima. Therefore you will find out also del 2P del V square is equals to 0. So these conditions are satisfied at the critical point. Okay. So what we can do to find out the critical constant? First we will rearrange the terms so that we can separate out the P from here. From here we can write P equals to RT upon V minus B minus A upon V square. Let's say this is equation 1. Now just differentiate equation 1 with respect to V, and we will have del P del V is equals to minus RT upon V minus B square plus 2A upon VQ. And this derivation is with respect to V keeping temperature constant. Okay. So let's call this equation 2. Again take the differentiation of equation 2 with respect to volume so that we can calculate del 2P del V square at constant temperature. So del 2P del V square at constant temperature is given by this equation, and let's call this equation as equation 3. So now you can easily see from here we have 3 equations and we need to find out 3 variables: pressure, volume and temperature at critical point. Okay. To do that, first we need to utilize these conditions. How we can do that? Just simply substitute del P del V T is equals to 0 at T equals to TC. Therefore from equation 2 we can write RTC upon VC minus B square is equals to 2A upon VC whole cube. Okay. Here we have just substituted the volume by critical volume, temperature by critical temperature, because this condition only satisfied at the position of critical point. Similarly, from equation 3, we can get 2RTC upon Vc minus B whole cube is equals to 6A upon Vc to the power 4. Okay, so just mark these two equations. So here we have two equations. Let's call it equation 4 and equation 5. Now just divide equation 4 by equation 5, and if you simplify it, you will get Vc minus B upon 2 is equals to Vc upon 3, and therefore the critical volume will be equals to 3 times co-volume, that is Vc is equals to 3B. This is our first critical constant, critical volume. Now just substitute Vc in the equation 4 so that we can calculate the Tc from equation 4. So from here, if you calculate Tc by substituting Vc, you will find out Tc is given by 8A upon 27 Rb. So this is our critical temperature. Now we know the critical volume, we know the critical temperature, so it is very easy to calculate the critical pressure. And to calculate the critical pressure, we will take the help of equation 1. So equation 1 is given by P equals to RT upon V minus B minus A upon V square. Just substitute the critical temperature here, critical volume here, and simplify it, and finally what you will get, Pc is equals to A upon 27B square. Okay, so these are the three important critical constants for van der Waals gas, and it is given by Pc equals to A upon 27B square, Vc equals to 3B, and Tc equals to 8A upon 27 Rb. So far we have found out the critical pressure, critical volume, critical temperature, Boyle's temperature. Try to remember all these because you will need these formulas to solve some numerical problem related to this concept. Okay. Now let's see the concept of reduced equation of state. And the first question is why we need reduced equation of state. If you look this equation, which is the van der Waals equation of state for 1 mole of gas, here it contains two constants A and B, which is called van der Waals constant, and these constants are different for different gas. Okay, can we write a simple equation which is applicable to all gases? And answer is yes, there is. How we can do that? To do that, we need to define different parameters like reduced pressure, which is defined at pressure upon critical pressure, reduced volume, which is equals to volume upon critical volume, reduced temperature, which is equals to temperature upon critical temperature. So from here we can easily see P is given by PR into PC, V is given by VR into VC, and T is given by TR into TC. So just substitute all this in equation 1. Okay, now we will utilize our findings. We just found out what is PC, what is VC, and what is TC. So just substitute it here. These are the values. So just substitute it here, and from here take a common A upon 27B square. From here just take a common 3B, and this R will cancel out. So this is our simplified equation. Just try to eliminate the A and B from different sides. So the final equation becomes PR plus 3 upon VR square, VR minus 1 by 3 is equals to 8 upon 3 TR. And this equation is called van der Waals reduced equation of state. Now you can easily see this equation does not contain A and B. So this equation is valid for all real gases. You can note another point from this equation. As this equation relate PR, VR and TR, then at particular reduced pressure and reduced volume, TR will be governed by this equation. And because of this, we can have one law. That law is called law of corresponding state. And what it says, if for any two substances, any two of reduced parameter PR, VR and TR be same, then third reduced parameter must be identical for them, and the two substances are said to be in corresponding state. What it means? Suppose you are dealing with two gases and both having same reduced pressure and reduced volume, then reduced temperature must be same for those two gases, and in that scenario what we will say that two gases are in the corresponding state. Okay, so I am stopping here. Hope you like this whole kinetic theory of video lecture series. We may have 1 or 2 more video on this lecture, and that will be on the numerical problem. Okay, see you. Thank you.